Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? Today I'm gonna give you a little bit of insight about this Bluetooth bike lock by Nulock. Unlike ordinary locks that works by keys, numbers, or alphanumerical locks, this one has an alarm system which triggers when the lock is being manipulated or being picked by an unwanted person beside you. So let's go ahead and open this. So as you can see, here's the lock. It comes with a nice blue bag to put the lock, and it even has this clip to hang it on your backpack when you're on your bike, and it has other accessories here. It has a voucher about all the products they're offering. So here we have the actual lock. The lock works with 3 AAA batteries, which you insert on the back over here. On the front we have this lock button, which you press to activate the lock. And this circle over here is the speaker or alarm that sounds when the lock is being accessed without your permission. On the side we have this button over here, which you press to open the lock. So if you don't want to use the alarm feature that this lock has, you can do so by simply pressing this button over here and pulling from the cord. And if you really trust that your bike's not gonna get stolen by any means, you can do so. But if you have trust issues, then use the alarm system that this lock offers, because it's pretty convenient. Let's go ahead and put the batteries on the back. So you have to take out 2 screws from the back, one on the top and one on the bottom. Let's pull it. As you can see here, here's where you put the 3 AAA batteries for this lock to work. And as you can see here, the cover is actually waterproof. So whenever it's raining and you leave the lock outside, water won't get inside this part over here to break it. So let's put batteries in there. So that means working. So for this lock to actually work, you have to lock it back and